Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you a beautiful crochet brooch. I hope you like this brooch, and this is my best work in my entire life. It's so beautiful and so pretty. I use so many colorful flower, real pearl, beads and hook. So first I make this kind of small flower, you can see, and I use shade color yarn because I like shade color, and shade color flower is looks so beautiful. And I make this two part, one is circle and one is cup. This brooch, this beads and this real pearl. Now I take one needle with yarn. I put everything in this tray so it will be easy for me. I put a brooch over there. Now this cup, I put all flower round and round by hand stitch. I'm not put any glue over there because glue is not last longer. I always prefer hand stitch. I started from back side. Now I'll go to the front side and I will take a beads. I use a golden color beads. And I put different color flower. So I finish whole cup. Now you can see the whole cup full of flower, and I put golden color beads in the middle of flower. Now it looks so pretty. Now I'll use some real pearl in this gap. You can see over here some gap, so I'll put some pearl so it will be more fuller and more pretty. So in this gap I put one pearl. And in this gap I'll take another pearl. So now you can see I put 3 pearl in this gap, so now it's more fuller and more beautiful. Now I put some cotton in this cup and I put this circle over here, and now I'll join by hand stitch. Before this join, I'll put this brooch over here and I'll joining by hand stitch. So I will take white color yarn. So I started from back side. And now joining this brooch with this circle. I almost done. Now I'll make some knot over here. Now I put some cotton and I put this one, and now I will join those. Now I'll join this circle with this cup by this hand stitch. So I'll maintain the same stitch until finish this round. I almost finished. Now I'll make knot. One and two. Now I'll do the lock. And now I'll cut the yarn. So now you can see it's really nice and so beautiful, and I love this brooch. I hope you like this brooch too, but it's time consuming. I need 3 days to make this brooch because it's really small thing but a lot of work and a lot of hand stitch, so it is take time. So if you have passion, you can make it very easily. I like this brooch so much, and I hope you'll like too. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button for getting new video update. And now you can make it very easily. See you in my next tutorial. Take care. Bye.